Welcome to DaTo Diagnostic Scanner tool. In today's session, we have 2017 Infiniti Q50 in our workshop. The vehicle has been bought in due to the suspected airbag issue. As you can see, the airbag's symbol is here. Airbag warning light is illuminated on the dashboard. This typically indicates a fault in the airbag system that needs to be immediate attention. So, to identify the root cause, we are using DaTo's DA723, a professional grade diagnostic tool designed for accurate and efficient troubleshooting. So first we are going to diagnose, auto detect. We go for the automatic search. Will show you the full information about your vehicle, North America country, vehicle, date, manufacture date, everything. Just press the confirm. Yes. Say switch off and switch it again. We're going to switch off the car. So now it's showing switch off and switch it again. So we're gonna switch off the car, and again we're going to start the car. We'll press OK. We'll start the smart scan. Now you can see that scanning. The red one shows it have fault codes. And the green color shows it is normal. Okay, we go to SRS. So these are the fault code it's showing. So now it's showing driver airbag module to open, driver seat airbag module open, driver seat module open 2. You can see. Now you can see this fault code as we have opened the airbag from the module. That's why it's showing these errors. Now the issue has been diagnosed using the DA723, and the next step is to repair and replace the fault code components based on the code information. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more real-time diagnose with the DaTo Diagnostic Scanner tool DA723. Thank you.
DaTo, the legendary leader of automotive equipments,